today's workout will be legs. We're doing legs for 10 minutes. 10 minutes on the leg workout. We're doing quads and hamstrings and the inner thigh, just the whole leg. We're going to do same as usual, 5 exercises, 1 minute each, and then we'll repeat. So the first exercise we're going to do is squat. Now you can do the exercise with or without weights. So the first session of the exercise, first 5 minutes we'll do with weights. Then the next 5 minutes when we repeat, we'll do it with no weight. So the first exercise will be squats for 1 minute. So you need weight or no weight and a timer. So 1 minute of squats. So you're just going to go down and squeeze. Come up, you want to push through your heels nice and tight. We're doing squats for 1 minute. 30 seconds left. So I'm going to grab the weights. I'm going to do the last 20 seconds with weights. And time. Right, the next exercise we're going to do is kind of called a plie squat. And you'll see why it's kind of like a plie, like in ballet, it's a plie squat. So we're going to do that for 1 minute. The position of that is your feet's going to be out, turned out, and you're going to squat down and up. So you don't bend over, you squat, you use all of your legs. So it's just basically squat and back up. But I'm going to use the weight. Squat, back up for 1 minute. And this is good for your inner thigh, your glutes. More seconds. Ten more seconds. And time. The next exercise we're going to do a lunge, but it's kind of like a lunge and a step back. So we're going to do that for 30 seconds on each leg. And I'm going to do it with weights. So you're just going to lunge back, back up. Or if you want to make it harder, you can come up. Or just lunge and back. 5 more seconds. And time. Okay, 30 seconds on the next leg. Or like I said, you can make it more advanced. and with a knee raise or straight. Five more seconds. Now we're just going to do a regular lunge, stationary. Stationary means stay in the same position. Just lunge up and down. 30 seconds each leg. In lunge, you want to make sure your knee doesn't go over your tippy toes. So don't rock when you lunge. Sit straight back. 5 more seconds. And time. Okay, next leg, 30 seconds. Like I said, the next go around we'll do with no weights. Five more seconds. The next exercise we're going to do is called a deadlift. One-legged deadlift. We're going to do each leg for 30 seconds. So we're doing a deadlift. So your feet here, we're doing it off one leg. This takes a lot of balance. So if you can't lift your leg all the way up, just get the back leg up as far as you can. This is what we want to do. But if you can't lift, like I said, the leg, you can start off here and back up. You can't get your leg all the way up. 30 seconds each leg. Ten more seconds. And time. Next leg. Ten more seconds. And time. Okay, so now we're going to repeat with no weights this time. So we're going to do start over. Same exercise. Squats. 1 minute.
Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work. work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work, work.